Founded in 1982 as a process piping industrial contractor, United Group Services is dedicated to providing leading-edge industrial contracting, including process piping, fabrication, rigging, and supplemental design engineering to the industrial and manufacturing community. As an industrial contractor, our clients utilize our expertise for their capital projects, managed maintenance programs, and both scheduled and unscheduled shutdown and outages. Our standard of excellence is built on our unwavering commitment to safety and quality. Safety is not just a claim at UGS, it is our culture. In 2005, UGS was the first industrial mechanical contractor in the United States to achieve OSHA VPP Star status, which we still maintain today. As a quality-driven contractor, UGS has multiple state-certified welders on staff, and our organization maintains both a National Board R and ASME PP stamp qualifications. By utilizing a staff of nationally accredited instructors, UGS ensures a strictly adhered to and comprehensive training programs that allows us to grow with future industry demands. United Group Services will continue to be a nationally competitive industry leader, precisely because of our total, unwavering commitment to safety, training, and quality.